like I will be making video like be cash lots about this video. So I hope you will be never be skipping this video, and I will be completely watching video. I will be helping to you how to be complete to be this game. Okay guys, this is the everything more easily now and everything to be easily all of this. So I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game task. So how to complete to be 50 levels. So this is the everything more easily, not to be anything hard, just to be watching my video. Be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this games levels. So just you will be watching completely video, because I will be helping to you all about these games. So guys, I be already download this game, and I will be completely guide to you, because this is the everything more easily, not to be anything hard, just to be watching my video, because be more helping to you every time every day. Just to be little weight, because this they give me a little weight, and I will be skipping little video. Okay guys, I'm be starting this game, and will be helping to you to be using like be more than like be good to be depth meter be levels now, and your beats how much little be using now, because how much you will be save your queen, so then you will be easily more this game, because many of people sometimes not to be understand, but I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game task. Okay, next I will be clicking on these sections. This is the more everything easily, not to be anything hard, just to be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this task. I will be tap on this option, because just like we explain you something. If you want to be completely one like be 150 level, you will be complete. So first of all, you will be saving your coins, because many people not to be saving your coins, then he not to be complete to be this game, because this is the more important thing for you. You will be saving your coins, and if you saving your coins, then you will be easily more earned coin now. Sorry, you will be completed to be your game levels. So step by step you will be your beats upping now, because I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be these games levels. You will be how to complete now, because I want to be teach to you how to be complete to be easily this game, and you will be playing this game. Oh my god. Okay, thank you so much. Open now. Wild card. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Check it now. No problems. I will be move back and to be starting this game. Guys, this is the all about this is the everything easily know, but just only explain you how to be complete to be these games, all about this game. Oh my god, so much to be earned, loss of coins like the mega events I will be earned now, because sometimes people not to be understand how to be complete to be this game. You will be checking now how much I will be big earned coins, and this is my rewards, and you will be checking now I'm be easily to complete to be this task, because I will be this is my big cashback. Oh, thank you, lots of love you guys. This game so much interesting, and I really be appreciating now. Okay, no problem. But you check, I will be saving more than coins, and today like be more earns I will be coins. Oh, thank you, lots of love you, love you, love you. Oh my god, big I will be earns coins. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, and but before I will be free spin to be using now. Nice, thank you. Lots of free spinning using now. Oh, thank you, thank you. Today I will be clicking on these sections. Okay, tap on this section. Okay, start to my spin. Thank you. Thank you, lots of. Just to be explaining you how to be complete to be this game, you will be checking on like be more lots of I will be earns coins. Okay, thank you more than. Okay, so I will be clicking move back against these options. Level 50 up now. To be starting to be next bid I will be more than be starting now. So guys, this type this game, and this is the more interesting game, and you will be easily complete to be your task. So I hope you will be understand on what I will be asking to you. So thank you so much for you supporting me every time, every day, every time. Okay.